A person painting the pillars of his house with ease and finesse, who is no less than a craftsman. There is no doubt that a human being can create very good things by using his brain. This is a cutting machine, which helps in cutting potatoes into small pieces, that too very quickly. This machine is used to cut the grass and trim it in a good shape so that a good design can be created on a tree. Someone should learn from them how to make the best out of waste. This machine is perfect for cutting vegetables into small pieces. A machine that creates designs through an automatic machine, which you may not have seen anywhere else. This technique of putting many balls together is quite impressive and helps in easily putting many balls into one basket after the game is over. Similarly, a long stick is used for snow removal in the winter season, which helps in removing the snow. Have you ever seen such cutting skill before? No, never. Right. The work of breaking eggs on a large scale is going on in factory production. Which is capable of auto-packing with rope to pack any food item very tightly. This is also one of the techniques of making white lines in road construction. This person seems to be quite experienced in cutting and shaping pineapples. Amazing technique of cutting pasta with auto-rotate machine, which looks quite impressive. Advanced machine technique for peeling fruit skin using auto machinery system. This machine prepares any food in small pieces, that too quickly and without any effort. It is very satisfying to see the skill of harvesting such fruits. This This is done by binding the books with the help of a machine. This big machine is used for cleaning the drain on the side of the road, and after cleaning the drain, waste is collected at another place and the drain is clean. A person in a factory uses a machine to pack mattresses, typically involving compression and wrapping. The machine flattens the mattress, then rolls and wraps it in plastic. Modern sawmills utilize automated systems and computer-controlled machinery for efficient and precise cutting. These machines are designed to remove asphalt or concrete pavement layers. With this technique, the seedlings are planted using an automatic machine. After cutting the grass, the special harvesting machine automatically makes a sack out of it and puts it aside. Enjoying cleaning his mirror. This scene shows a lot of fun and enthusiasm towards a task. Craftsman is using his brain to fix the electric lines inside the wall, and this work shows a professional level, which seems like a practical job till a certain extent.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.